You know what sets the tone for a great trip? Packing like a pro. Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Starting off organized can make the difference between a smooth adventure and a chaotic mess. And if you've ever spent 15 minutes digging through your top case just to find your other glove, you know exactly what I mean. That's where the Wunderlich inner bag liners come in. These bags turn your OEM BMW luggage into a perfectly organized travel-ready setup that's easy to pack, easy to carry, and easy to love. These inner bags are custom designed to fit snugly into your side cases or top case. No wasted space, no awkward bulges. That means you can load them up off the bike, zip them shut, and just drop them in when you're ready to roll. They're made from lightweight, durable Cordura fabric, a material trusted in serious outdoor gear for a reason. It's dustproof, it's tough as nails. So whether you're hitting gravel roads or dealing with unexpected weather, your gear stays protected. Inside, it gets even better. You'll find a bright blue interior, which sounds like a small detail, but makes a huge difference in visibility when you're trying to find something fast. There's also a padded compartment for your electronics, a zippered outer pocket for quick access items, and the whole pack is expandable, so you won't have to pick and choose which items make the cut. Once you're off the bike, the adjustable shoulder strap and padded grab handle make them comfortable to carry, whether you're walking through a muddy campsite or about to check into a hotel. These bags move with you. No more awkwardly lugging plastic cases or worrying about leaving gear behind. And they're not just for long-haul touring. They're just as useful for weekend trips, commutes, or anywhere you want your gear organized and protected. So ditch the guesswork. Make the most out of your BMW luggage with Wunderlich inner bag liners. Built for the road, designed for real riders, and ready for wherever you're headed next. Find yours today at wunderlichamerica.com. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe. We've got more premium gear tips and ride-ready upgrades coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.